Tech Elite.
Yeah, Elite.
Yeah. Who invited these guys? Yeah, I sure did. Mate, my ears are straight up. This is where it's at. Straight away. I know they were questioning. I just push on my way, see you running, bitches sit niggas like. No, they. Right. Ah, left here. Yep. Yep, and then we're fucking.
Get out of the way, Bev.
This left, mate. Yep. Oh shit. Left there, yeah. It is cold, eh? This one here.
Where's the lab?
That's nice though. I saw it before in the car park. Looks pretty cool.
She said I hate my day job, I don't feel it, I need race car. Top down to match my ceiling, I don't have none. Dollar billies, one time. She said I hate my day job, I don't feel it, I need race car. Top down to match my ceiling, I don't have none. Have none. Dollar billies in my bag run. Fuck your feelings, I detach them. Wonder why I had them. With her bad lungs, running back to 'em. Keep coming back if I know. Aren't you tired of understand why? Probably just a habit. She running till the cows come. Wonder what happened. Busy on the inside. Why I got the answer? Why I got hands? I don't got answer. You and your friends, where have you been? She said I hate my day job, I don't feel it, I need race car. Top down to match my ceiling, I don't have none. Have none. Dollar billies in my bag run. Fuck your feelings, I need pilot. I'm gon' high, parachute. This is my first, if we land in quicksand, tell them to. I might die, body bagged, polyglot. Had that price on my head, took her hand in July. Couple months before again. Hey, my day job, I don't feel it, I need race car. Top
Yeah, it's
down.
so good. Just hit one button. The VL cruise.
13B?
Is that a 12A bridge?
Is that a 13B? Fuck.
I think it's a quad rotor.
Yeah, is that a quad rotor? Dude, it's insane, man.